JL 102 what we have this box, new package, and we have this new helmet magnifier, helmet magnifier for soldering job. And the color is gray and white, black. There is an LED, and we can adjust the lens, but it has no battery, I think. Then for the corroded screw, is this new, old stock? Then we have the first magnifying lens, and then the second one is this, and it is fixed. And the other one, okay, this is the adjustment. Oops. Okay, for the adjustment, the size, diameter of the head, this is the adjustment. Plastic, this is synthetic rubber, and then adjustment for tilting of the lens, looks like this. So stuck up. Then for the glass, we have another set of glass for magnifying, and it can lock. So first glass, then the fix. This is the folding glass, fixed glass, and then this micro lens. For the light, we can adjust the tilt, and we can see the compartment. The position is, we need a 2 AAA battery. So let us get some battery. We have now the battery. This is Everready AAA battery. .5 volts, AAA, small battery. We're going to use this in our lens magnifier. Spring, negative. Okay. We can adjust the tilt left to right using this switch. And then for the up down, this one, on off, off, on. Put it again, put it back. This way. Oh, so hard. This way. How to... Okay, and then for tilting, up, down, left, right, on, off switch. You can adjust the size of the head using this. So we can use one mirror, one glass. If we still need magnifying again, another glass. And then the third glass is the round type magnifying lens. 1, 2, and then retract. You can retract the other one. 1, 2, 3. 3 lens. So that we can magnify the object. Okay, we have this sample PCB. This is from Sound Blaster, an old sound PCB blaster. We're going to test the lens of this magnifier. With the use of first glass, the pix, we can magnify it, and then together with the folding glass, second lens, and then for the third lens, the round one, we can able to magnify it. Okay. So it works, magnification of the helmet magnifier.